watch what I can do. Who wants to see my rocket shot? It's amazing.
More bubbles!
Big Bear?
Come and join in the bubble popping fun, Will.
Come on, Will. Rosie and Raggles are the best bubble blowers ever.
My rocket shot is better.
Here's another one. Rosie and Raggles do love blowing bubbles.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Pop, pop, pop! Hello, Will. Not popping bubbles then?
No way. Bubbles are boring.
Really? I always find them rather magical. Anyway, I'm off to see Holly. She's painting my portrait, you know.
Oh, I see. I thought you were playing dressing up.
Ha! Cheeky! Bubbly, wobbly! Bouncy, bouncy!
Look, how did Rosie and Raggles learn to blow such great bubbles?
Oh, not Rosie and Raggles' wonderful bubbles again. I'm brilliant at things too, like football, and I'm just as good at making bubbles. I'll prove it. You'll see. Paintings of me have graced many walls, Holly, but this will be the finest yet.
Oh, look, Saffie, a bubble.
So delicate, so magical, so...
Tickly? I'm here! How do you want me? Relaxed? Dramatic? Ooh, what about an action pose? Sorry, Bluebird. I'm just finishing painting Saffie. Could you, move a little to the left, please? But I thought you were painting me. Oh, yes, I will, Bluebird. After I've painted Saffie. Well, how long is that going to take?
Holly, can I borrow your hula hoop, please?
Yes, of course.
Thanks, Holly. See you later. Like a summer breeze. One moment he's here, then the next he's gone.
Oh, hello, Will.
Hello, Big Bear. Can I borrow your paddling pool, please?
Of course. It's a perfect day for a dip.
It's not for paddling in.
Oh? What are you going to use it for, then?
You'll soon see.
1, 2. 2 drops are enough, Rosie. It's a really strong bubble mixture. I'll do a test bubble to make sure.
Rosie, Raggles,
Hi, Will.
have you got any bubble mixture left?
Yes, plenty.
Well, if you let me borrow it, I'll show you the biggest bubble in the world.
Okay. But only use a little bit. It's really strong. Is it my turn yet?
Right, now for the bubble mixture. Add 2 drops. 1, 2... Oh, even better, put the lot in.
It's lovely, Holly. But what about Bluebird? Not yet, Bluebird. Not yet. Why don't you come with us, Bluebird? Will's going to blow some bubbles. Will? But Will said bubbles were boring.
OK, everyone, prepare to witness the biggest bubble the universe has ever seen.
Ooh.
Well done, Will. Nice bubble.
I don't want nice. I want big. This time it's got to work. Watch this.
I wish Holly would paint a bit faster. I've been waiting so long.
It's working. It's working.
Look out, Will!
Watch where you're going.
Will!
Behold, my enormous bubble!
That's strange. Bubbles aren't usually that strong. Come on, Raggles. Bluebird needs our help. How are we going to get her out?
Maybe it'll just burst.
Not when you've used all the mixture. You've made an extra strong bubble. Oh, Will.
Uh-oh.
Catch that bubble!
Ah, the perfect day for doing absolutely nothing. Bluebird, please, not my washing. Phew.
Oops!
Sorry, Big Bear, but we've got bubble trouble.
My, you are quite the artist, Holly.
Thanks, Saffie. So, where's Bluebird? It's time to paint her portrait.
She's right behind you.
Look out! Get me out! How are we going to get her down? I'm not sure, Raggles.
This is all my fault. I wanted to show everyone I was the best at something. All I really wanted to do was show you my rocket football shot.
Could you show us your rocket shot now, Will? Kick it at the bubble and it might burst.
Yay!
Whoa!
Flap, Bluebird, flap!
Oh, yes! No one can kick a ball quite like you, Will. And no one can make a bubble like you either, I hope. Are you ready to paint me now, Holly? No need. I've already done it. Oh, very funny. Very funny. Rosie, I wonder why bubbles are always round. Well, it's because... well, they just are, I suppose. I wish I could make a square bubble. Or a lumpy one. What about a rosy-shaped one? That would be the funniest. Well, those are the best bubbles I've seen all day. Whee! Whee! Would you like a turn, Holly? No, thanks. I'm practicing my writing for when I go to big school. What do you do at big school? Oh, you have lessons where you learn all sorts of things. Reading, writing, and even playtime. Whoa, can I come too? We can't go yet. We have to wait till we're older. Oh.
Holly and Raggles want to go to school, but they're not old enough. So let's make our own school in the garden.
School!
Yes, you can go too, Little Bear.
I was born to teach.
Come on, then. What are we waiting for? Here's your school bus.
School? Today? Yippee!
I'll meet you there.
This lesson is about the world we live in. About Saffie, the cedar tree from faraway lands. She's seen many wonders of the world. Now the bridge and stream. That flows downhill. It wouldn't flow uphill. That would be odd. But paths go uphill, though. A ghost speeder could
Do
go
you
really
understand?
fast. Paths.
No, he's going too fast.
Where was I? Oh, yeah, the hill. Oh, that's Oakley's over there, the picnic area. And maize and trees and flowers and grass. Oh, that's green and... Oh, that's green. Oh, look, that's green too.
What's that?
This is for your first lesson, gardening. Pots, yep. Seeds, yep. Soil, yes. Oh, but where did this pile come from? Little Bear, are you okay?
Captain! Fun!
So, how was your first lesson?
It was, frost.
Cool.
Don't worry. I'm sure Big Bear's lesson will be easier to follow.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about gardening. These are the plant shoots. They grow up through the soil towards the sun. And these are the roots. They burrow deep down into the ground. Come on, Big Bear, you can do it. Now, class, here's what we need to do to make our plants grow. Plant, water, feed, prune, dig, pick, weed. Oops.
Why don't you try doing just one thing at a time, Big Bear?
Sorry about that. Where was I? Oh, yes. Planting.
Big Bear,
no!
Whoops. Oh, sorry, Little Bear. Here's one I planted earlier. Hey? Oh, no.
I think it's time for our next lesson.
Oh, yes. The weather can do all kinds of magical things, like make rainbows. Show them the colours of a rainbow, Archie.
Red, orange, yellow,
Ooh!
green, blue, indigo, violet.
Ooh!
And a rainbow is made when rain and sun... Ooh! That leaf reminds me of the time a kite was flying by and got stuck in my branches.
Oakley, you were telling us about the rainbow.
Oh, yes. Now, where was I?
Ouch!
Ay, caramba! I can change color, but I can't do that.
I was having a lovely nap.
In the middle of my lesson?
Oops. Sorry, Oakley. So, how are rainbows made, Oakley?
Sunlight shines through raindrops to make pretty colours.
Thank you, Oakley. Time for my craft lesson. Pay attention, everyone. Nest building and weaving is tricky, but I'm a very good teacher. Wind this bit round like this, and this bit like this, and over and under and round the top and through the middle, and there you are. And nest perfection. Can you show us that again, Bluebird? I need a little more help too. Nonsense! Just copy me. It's easy. Look. Ta-da! Now that's a nest. Time to check yours. What? Help! Oops. But I don't understand. I'm a great teacher.
This isn't quite what I expected. Come on, I promise your next lesson will be much better. Hi everyone. I'm going to teach you to make bread.
Oh! I didn't know you could make bread, Rosie.
Well, I've never actually made it before, but it seems pretty simple. First, we need lots of flour.
Oh, flowers are pretty.
No, not flowers, Holly. Flour. It's made from wheat grown in the fields, then ground up. See?
Wow. Little bear. Oops.
This is called kneading. It's great fun, but it takes a long time, so here's one I made earlier. Ta-da! Oops. I don't think it was supposed to do that.
Oh.
Sorry, everyone. Hey, where's Holly? Oh, no. I wanted her first day at big school to be special, but I don't think we taught her anything.
Oh, Little Bear's missing too.
Look, there's a trail. Welcome to Holly's Little Lessons. I'm going to show you what happens if you don't do things properly.
Wow!
Yeah, she's good. Do one job at a time, otherwise you'll get muddled. Ha! That's me! Don't talk as fast as you drive. It's very confusing.
Whoops.
Try to concentrate. One story at a time is enough. And be patient because learning takes time. And when showing class how to make something,
Make sure you've had a practice first. Well done, Holly. You make a much better teacher than us.
Thanks, Rosie. That's because I learnt lots and lots on my first day at big school. Me too. School fun!
Hooray!
Well, I've done what Holly taught me. I've gone slowly, done things one at a time, concentrated and been patient, and practice makes perfect.
Yeah.